Hi dear students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class we have studied about 5 tools in our chapter 3, what fun it is to draw. So the first one, curve tool, used to draw the hills. Second one, circle or ellipse tool, used to draw sun. Third one, brush tool, that we have used to draw a river. And we have studied 2 more color tools, that is flood fill tool and spray can tool. So these are the 5 tools we have studied in our previous class. Now in today's class we are going to study new 3 topics. The first one is undo and redo button. The second one, erase button, erase tool, and the third one, color eraser. So these are the 3 topics which we are going to study in today's class. So let us start today's class. So dear students, tell me how to open color paint application. Yes, first go to applications at the top left corner, go to graphics package. Inside that you can see color paint. Okay dear students, so we have a color paint application had opened. Now we are going to study these 3 topics. So first of all I will draw a picture, then we can check these topics. Okay, so we will draw the same picture which we had drawn in the last class. So let me quickly complete that. So we had used the curve tool to draw the hills. Then we had used the circle tool to draw the sun. Okay, then we had used that brush tool to draw the rivers. So complete it. Then we had used the coloring tools. So first I am going to explain you about undo and redo button. For that I am going to give a color to this sun. So I am going to select this flood fill tool, and first I am going to give a yellow color. I had selected yellow color from the color palette at the bottom, and I just click inside this sun. So okay, that's good. I can give a yellow color to the sun, and after that I had feel that can I give an orange color to this sun? Yes, so I just selected this orange color here at the bottom in the color palette, and I click inside this sun. So the color is changed to orange. Now again I feel that this orange is not suitable for this sun, and I want to go back to again the yellow color. So what I have to do, I have to click on undo button. Undo, can you see here at the top, undo button? So if I want to cancel a mistake done by me, so I can use undo button. That means if I want to move back to previous step, I can use undo button. So I am going to click now If I clicked on this undo button, what will happen? It will change, the sun will change to yellow color, the previous step. Okay, so that is the use of undo button. Now again I am feeling that this orange color is suitable for this sun, yellow is not suitable, so I can go back to the next step, the redo button. Okay, so if I want to retrieve what I had cancelled, I can use redo button. I can go to the next step, so I am going to click on redo. So it again come back to the orange color. So undo for moving back to previous step, redo to move to the next step. Okay, so these are the use of undo and redo button. This can be this is available at the top in the toolbar, and it is also available in edit menu. You can see here at the top, edit. Here you can see the first option is undo and the second option is redo. Okay, so in these two ways you can use these buttons. So I hope you are clear about undo and redo button. Now let us move to eraser tool. Eraser tool. So what is the use of eraser tool? At the left side in the toolbox you can see this one is a eraser tool, that red one, eraser tool. So eraser tool is nothing but to erase the drawings, Okay, so you can click on this and you can just erase whatever you had drawn. Okay, so I am going to show you again. Just click on the eraser tool and you just click and drag inside the picture. Click and drag inside the picture so you can erase it. Now if I want to retrieve, I want to go back to previous step, what I have to do? Yes, I can click on undo button, so it will go back to the previous step. Now one more thing you have to notice, that so we have already studied two type of colors, foreground. Look at bottom, the foreground color and background color. We have studied two types of color, foreground and background. The first box is called foreground and the back side box is called background. So here, what is the foreground color here? Yes, orange. The foreground color is orange. What is the background color here? Yes, white color. Okay, so listen carefully, dear students. So I had selected here eraser tool, and if I make a left click on my mouse, listen carefully, if I make a left click on my mouse, automatically it will show the background color. So what is the background color? Here it is white, so it will show you the background color white. Now listen one more thing. If I am using a right click on the mouse, after selecting the eraser tool, if I am going to click on the right click on the mouse, what will happen? It will display, or it will take the foreground color. So I am going to show now. If I am making a right click on the mouse, it will be orange color. Can you see here? Yes. So one more time I will explain. Listen carefully. This is very important question. So we have already studied two type of colors, foreground and background. Here what is the foreground color? Orange. What is the background color here? White. Now if I want to erase a mistake, I can use eraser tool. I had selected eraser tool. Now I am going to erase this river. So you can erase it two ways. Either you can make a left click on the mouse, or you can make a right click on the mouse. So if you make a left click on the mouse, it will take background color. What is the background color here? White. So it will use white color if you are making the left click on the mouse. Now if I am making a right click on the mouse, it will use foreground color. What is the foreground color here? Orange color. So I am going to make a right click on the mouse and erase, so it will show you the orange color. So I hope you had understood about the eraser tool. Now if you double click on this eraser tool, what will happen? All the picture drawn in the canvas will be erased. I repeat, if you double click on the eraser tool, what will happen? All the picture drawn in the canvas will be erased. So I am going to double click now. Yes, all the things drawn in the canvas is erased. That's it. So these are all about the eraser tool. Now let us move to the color eraser. So from the name itself, we can identify that this will erase a particular color. So let me show you. Let me color. Before that, I am going to give a color for the hills. Green color, then blue color here. So these are the color given to the picture. Now suppose I want to erase the color, this blue color in river, only this blue color. So what I have to do, first I have to select this blue color as foreground color. So I can select from the color palette. Yes, I repeat, I want to erase this blue color, this river. So what I have to do, from the color palette, select that color and make the foreground color as blue, foreground color. Now I am going to select this color eraser tool from the toolbox. This is the color eraser tool. Click on that and you just click and drag your mouse. So only that color will be erased. Even if I am moving outside this river, no problem, only that color will be erased. Even if you click on other part of the picture, it will not be erased, only that particular color will be erased. Do you understood, dear students? Now I will show you one more time. Suppose I want to erase this green color in hills. Suppose I want to erase this green color in hills. So what I have to do? Yes, I have to select that green color from the color palette. Just make a click. So the foreground color will be the green color. Now select the color eraser tool. Select the color eraser tool and just click and drag. So only that color will be erased. Only that color will be erased. Now one more thing, if you double click on this eraser tool, what will happen? That green color, wherever there is the picture contains that green color, that will be erased. So I am going to double click on this color eraser. So this green color is erased. Okay, suppose I have selected here the orange color as foreground color and I double click on this color eraser, what will happen? The sun color will be erased. Okay, you notice here? Yes. So I think this topic is also clear to you, the use of color eraser. So we have studied today 3 topics: undo and redo, eraser tool, and color eraser tool. So I hope all are clear about these topics. Watch the video, repeat the videos again and again, so it will be very clear for you. So thank you very much, my dear student.